Come on, and did you see that? Did you see that? Exactly like it happened in the previous video.
This video is made for educational purposes only. Don't try what you're going to see in the video.
Hey everybody, this is Liam. In case you don't know me, on a regular basis, I test blockchain-related projects, applications, tools, and you guys asked me to continue testing this project that I tested in my previous video, and as you can see here, guys, this is exactly what came out of it. That was huge, and I'm still shocked. So, this is the project I was talking about. It's like no big deal at all, and I like that it's Telegram based. It's really convenient, and I'm gonna need it to play this blockchain related crypto game. So, as usual, I really like the interface, but I'm gonna start with the settings. There are several options here, but this time I'm gonna go with the second one, okay? So the next step. Give me just a sec. I'm gonna continue adjusting the settings. I'm gonna press this button, then I'm gonna go back to my account. This is the regular part of the settings adjustment. It's no big deal at all. I'm just give me just a sec, just a few quick steps here, and yeah, confirming, and while it's confirming, I wanted to say that everything that I'm showing here is just my random experience. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial recommendations. I'm just testing things, and that's all I do. And I do not recommend repeating that. So I'm gonna reload the page, and yeah, great. So, great news, guys. I'm gonna hit this button. I'm almost there. And right now, I'm gonna click this, and give me just a sec. I'm gonna synchronize this helper tool with the game itself. There we go. I'm just going through the steps. I'm entering this number, the same one that I see here. Now it's loading. It's loading, almost there. Yeah, give me just a sec. Yeah, I'm gonna drop this tiny test amount. By the way, guys, I'm totally fine losing it. It's no big deal. So then this button, and let's see. And yeah, actually that looks impressive. So I'm gonna start testing the gameplay. I'm gonna open the same tiles. Yeah, looks good. And yeah, I mean, I'm totally enjoying this process. That looks good. I'm gonna get the next one. I'm gonna continue testing it. Give me just a sec. Yeah, got it. So I'm gonna open 3 here, 1 at the top. Looks beautiful, and yeah, I mean, I'm gonna keep this momentum going. That looks really impressive. So, I really like the interface. One more go. I want to make sure it's not coincidence. Okay, I'm gonna continue testing it. Looking good, and yeah, amazing. Give me just a sec. One more. Got it. Same drill. So one here, and yeah, guys, that's just, I'm really enjoying this process, I'll be honest with you. Okay, I guess I'm gonna give it like maybe one more go, 1 or 2, okay. Here, looking good, and again, I mean, this is fun. And I'm really enjoying the process. This gameplay feels smooth, and okay, this is gonna be the last one, I guess, yeah. Oh my god, guys, let's see what's gonna happen this time. I'm gonna continue testing it. Looking good so far, so good. And yeah, I'll be honest with you, this is really impressive. Okay, but I'm gonna wrap up this test, guys, because basically this is the whole point. Basically, I'm just gonna finish this test. I'm gonna go back here, and give me just a moment. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna go back here, I'm gonna put it right here, just a few simple steps. And most importantly, guys, I want to say that I don't expect anything. I'm prepared to any outcome. Yeah, in the meantime, everything is done. And right now, I'm gonna start refreshing. And most importantly, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, but still, I'm gonna wait, like, I don't know, for a few seconds. I'm gonna continue refreshing. There's nothing for now, and maybe this time it's not gonna be the case. Yeah, as you can see. Okay, maybe one last time. Come on, and did you see that? Exactly like it happened in the previous video. I mean, all the details are here, and it's just how it is. So basically, guys, I hope you enjoyed this test. I hope you enjoyed this video, so be sure to put your likes. There's much more interesting content on my channel, guys. Be sure to subscribe. And this is the project I was testing today. Yeah, so put your likes, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye-bye.